This Singer sewing machine has 23 built-in stitches, including essential or basic stitches, decorative stitches, stretch stitches, as well as an automatic one-step buttonhole. Stretch stitches are especially useful for sewing today's knit fabrics. You can also combine stitches to embellish garments, crafts, and home decorating projects. Feed dogs are located under the presser foot of the sewing machine. Feed dogs move from front to back in a rotating motion to move the fabric through the machine as you sew. Conveniently located at the back of the machine, the drop feed lever lowers the feed dogs. Disengage the feed dogs when free motion sewing, so you can move the fabric manually. By adding an optional darning embroidery foot, you can do free motion sewing. Drop feed is a must-have for quilting and fashion sewing. This Singer sewing machine features a heavy-duty metal frame. The inner frame of the sewing machine is constructed of heavy-duty metal. It provides rigid support, holding all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. It's built for years of extended use. In addition, the machine's stainless steel bed plate provides for smooth fabric feeding. It also helps prevent scratches on the machine's surface while sewing.
Looking for a sewing machine? How about a sewing and embroidery machine? Then look no further than Brother. From automatic needle threading, LCD screens, and built-in designs, Brother Sewing and Embroidery have the features that let you unleash your designer within you. Brother, at your side. Are you ready to enter the world of computerized sewing? Then get ready for the Brother CS6000i.
much.